Ladies and gentlemen of Germany, it's me, NYSEinstein, from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. What an exciting day today. It was spectacular. Yesterday, okay, we had that sell-off I talked about around 3 o'clock. Okay, it hit a level, a technical resistance level up at the top of the spider chart, of the Dow chart and everything, and people started selling. It's fascinating when you see that, when technical trades happen, and you see that because you got a lot of people who trade it technically. They're not waiting around for earnings, not waiting around for everything else. They're technical, it hits a spot, and they're going to sell off. They're going to be profit taking on top of that. There are people who follow suit in that. We saw that yesterday. It was with determination. And what we talked about last night on the close was, how is that going to follow through to today? So today we opened sort of flattish. And then we had Draghi speaking in Europe. He started talking down the euro. The dollar spiked, and we saw this complete reversal in the whole commodity space. They were selling plywood, cotton. They were selling plywood and cotton. What the hell is that about? A bunch of sheep in a bunch of stores, right? We don't know. The whole space, gold, everything actually in the commodity space got slaughtered. Midday, the market sold off hard. Commodities took them down. And what that does is it starts kicking in a lot of these algorithms, starts kicking in. You know, we've seen a huge rally since February bottom, right? We see a top resistance on the Dow and the spiders. We've seen a huge rally in the commodity space. So ever given the moment where people are ready to start selling and take profits, and they see a technical spike and they want to be the first ones to that party. Sometimes you want to come in late to the party. You want to trickle in, wait till the beautiful women are there. And sometimes in this market, you want to be the first one to the party. You want to hit that button first and then watch everybody follow suit, right? So when it's time to sell, they sell. Right, we are at the top end of the market. Not to say the market may not go higher, but when one guy hits that button and everybody starts to follow suit, you want to be there. They sold the space off. That continued the whole temperament of the day. Market sold off. You know, it hits them. We're so overbought in this market right now that even these little sort of dead cat bounces, as we call them, which you're thinking, okay, well, maybe that's the bottom. Sold off 150 points. This is time to buy them. They're just little opportunities to just stay away. The market sold off. It popped at one point, 30 or 40 cents, but ended up closing right off the lows. Market was down about 132 at the low, closed down at 115. Sell side across the board. Google earnings came out down $50. Microsoft earnings came out, they were weaker. There were a couple of beats, but those are significant. When they don't like something, then Google misses down 50. Okay, I know it's a high flying stock, but down 50 is a lot. So when they don't like them, they don't like them. And when it's time to sell this market, they're going to sell it. And that's kind of what it feels like. Is that going to carry through to tomorrow? I don't know. That's why we're here every day with the Einstein Man, giving you the daily update. I'm not an investor. I'm a day trader. Keep that in mind. I'm going to give you a breakdown what happened today. Today was sell side across the board. Started with the commodity reversal in the morning, due to Draghi, due to the spike in the dollar, and it carried through all the way to the end of the day.